Most men don't lose discipline during hard times. They lose it when life gets comfortable. When nothing is urgent, when bills are paid, when your body isn't in danger, your brain stops respecting effort. Comfort teaches your mind one lesson. Nothing bad happens if I delay. That's when discipline habits decay. You don't skip workouts because you're lazy. You skip them because your nervous system feels safe, and safety kills urgency. Strong habits aren't built in chaos. They're tested in comfort. This is where most men fail habit building. They wait for motivation, but motivation only shows up when pressure exists. Self-discipline is not about intensity, it's about creating artificial pressure when life has removed real pressure. Deadlines, non-negotiable routines, rules that don't care how you feel. Mental toughness isn't staying strong when life hurts, it's staying sharp when life feels easy. If your environment doesn't demand discipline, you must. That's how you build discipline. That's how you keep focus. That's how self-control survives comfort. Like this video, Silent Discipline.